So nowadays, every smartphone app has a dark mode. Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and thousands of other apps has a dark theme feature. So as the trend of dark mode is rising, many questions related to them are also arising. And one of them are, is dark mode better for your batteries? So to answer this question, we have to understand how the screen of the smartphone works. The screen of the smartphones consists of pixels. These pixels are made of subpixels. The subpixels are red, green and blue. A TV with 8K resolution has more than 33 million pixels and a smartphone with 6.5-inch display has about 3 million pixels. So coming back to subpixels, the various combination of the red, green and blue pixels results in displaying the colors that you see in the smartphone screen. But then you may be thinking, how do these pixels display black color? I mean, you can't emit black light, right? So how do they? So actually it depends on the type of the screen that is in your smartphone. So generally there are 4 types of screens: OLED, AMOLED, IPS and LCD. So when it comes to displaying black color, OLED and AMOLED screens pixels turns off and this results in displaying the true black color. Whereas in IPS and LCD screen, the backlighting feature prevents the phone from displaying the true black color. So that's why the black color is kind of grayish in IPS and LCD screen. So as the pixels in AMOLED and OLED screens turns off while displaying black color, it consumes less energy. But due to the backlighting feature in IPS and LCD displays, it consumes the same energy as while displaying other colors. So we can say that, yes, you can save the battery life of your smartphone using dark mode if your smartphone has an OLED or AMOLED screen. If you don't know the type of the screen in your smartphone, you can find it by typing display type after the name of your smartphone. So for example, if I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10, I should type Samsung Galaxy Note 10 display type. Actually most of the phones nowadays has an AMOLED or OLED screen. But you have to remember that using dark mode in daytime is actually harmful for your eyes. If you want me to make a video about that topic, make sure you make a video in the comment section. So hope you guys like this video. If yes, make sure you click that like button, and if you guys didn't subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Akshay Tips signing off.